Hi guys, my name is Sushna and I make videos and content related to fashion, beauty, a lot of stuff basically on my page. And today is a unboxing video day. I got this huge package and this is from Megha's Fashion World. So I got this letter which is a handwritten letter. Also, I am a huge fan of handwritten letters. It's so beautifully written and it says like thank you so much for collaborating. So first thing is this garment right here. So these are more like suspenders and it's a very pretty looking suspender that she has sent me. You can style it with any of your t-shirts or anything or even a shirt and you're good to go. The next thing are these earrings. So these are the beautiful earrings that she sent and there are two of these. Very pretty and delicate kind of earrings. These give me very very typical Indian vibes where you can wear it with all of your Indian wear. Again, I'm a huge fan of Indian jewelry, so these are the pair of earrings. It's a beautiful lotus on the earring. Next, again, this is one of my kind of favorite kind of thing. It's oxidized earrings. First is this one. And second is very cute little jhumki kind of earrings. Because I'm such a earring person, I love wearing earrings. So she has sent me a lot of earrings. So small little jhumkis which you can wear, with your regular pair of clothes. You do not need an occasion for it, so you can just style it with your. Even you can wear it these with denims and kurtis and stuff. Next, I love this piece a lot. This is more like a western kind of earring. It has a lot of crystals in it. So I'm gonna wear this probably very soon. I love this. It's very nice and delicate. So next is this cute little owl locket. So this is how it looks like. And also there's one more. It's a very pretty kitty with her head and her diamond studded body. Next are these pair of earrings. These are a beautiful pair of earrings. Okay, these are the most beautiful pair of earrings. I really loved them when I saw it. I love these kind of earrings which are more like, structural, if you can say. So this is a straight line and it has a diamond right here and it has a diamond right up. So I like these kind of structural earrings which has some shapes. So this is a beautiful pair of earrings. Next are these, again oxidized. So these are the pair of earrings. Very pretty, suits all face, looks very pretty. So you'll be seeing me wearing these often. Also the tiny pair of earrings, these ones, looks cute. Next is the hand charm which she sent me and it looks very nice. I am a huge fan of these kind of bands. So I love these kind of bands. Next is this beautiful little hairband which you can just wear it like this. Just gives me a very like a Christmas vibe. Also these are the pair of earrings which are similar to it. So you can wear it with your chaniya cholis and stuff during Navratri. And if you like, you can also wear this. So yeah, it's a very pretty combination. She has sent me a lot of earrings. So this is one more pair of earrings. It is very nice and very cute looking earrings with those tassels, because tassels have been in fashion for a really long time. So tassel earrings in white, which is a very pretty looking earring. Next is the oxidized locket. Now this locket is really big. So usually these kind of lockets and these kind of accessories are worn during Navratri. So I'm looking forward to using them during the Navratri. Also the very beautiful, this is called Hathul. Next is this very vintage kind of choker, because this reminds me of my childhood when we used to wear these things, and I'm so shocked that these are still in fashion. So yeah, this comes in a pair of a choker, a ring and a bracelet. She also sent me a cute little scrunchie. Also it is checks, so checks is my most favorite pattern. Also this one, this choker right here has my heart. I don't know, I have something for chokers, so probably you'll see me wearing this in my probably styling video or something very soon. And last but definitely not the least is this beautiful rose which needs 24 karat golden rose. This is the packaging and I really loved it. It's so beautiful. Like I just saw it and I kept it back again because I didn't want it to spoil it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing video of all the products that Megha has sent me from her own page, just Megha's Fashion World. Do not forget to like and do not forget to buy a lot of things from her.